Hey everyone, I'm Maya, and welcome back to the Steam Sauna Blueprint by Opulent Recreations. You'd be surprised how many luxury bathrooms start out as dream spa projects and end up with foggy mirrors, uneven steam, or even leaks.
Yep, and most of those issues come down to design, not the generator, not the brand, but small planning mistakes that can cost thousands later.
So in today's video, we're covering the top 5 steam shower design mistakes and exactly how to avoid them. Whether you're working with a contractor, remodeling your own home spa, or planning a high-end Airbnb, this will save you a lot of frustration.
The first big mistake, poor steam containment. Steam showers need to be fully enclosed from floor to ceiling with tight seals on doors and glass panels. If your ceiling is open or the door gaps are too wide, steam escapes, your generator overworks, and the temperature never stabilizes.
Ideally, use tempered glass with gasket seals and a ceiling height between 7 and 8 feet for the perfect balance. Too tall and steam rises away from your body, too short and it can feel uncomfortably intense.
Good containment keeps energy use low and the experience consistent. That's your foundation for a great steam build.
Mistake number 2, using the wrong materials. We've seen steam rooms built with porous stone, regular drywall, or even wood ceilings, and they never last.
Steam rooms need non-porous, vapor-sealed surfaces like ceramic or porcelain tile, glass, or natural stone that's properly sealed. And behind those tiles, make sure you use a steam-rated waterproof membrane, not regular cement board.
Exactly. Without a vapor barrier, moisture seeps into the walls, causing mold and structural damage, even in luxury homes.
Think of it this way, a steam shower isn't a bathroom feature. It's a mini climate system. It deserves materials that can handle that environment.
The third mistake is a big one, choosing the wrong size generator. This happens all the time when people try to guess instead of measuring.
The right generator depends on your room's cubic footage, surface materials, and ceiling height. For example, a 7x7 by 8 foot enclosure might only need a 10 kilowatts unit, but add marble or stone, and you'll need a larger model to compensate for heat absorption.
Brands like Mr. Steam, Thermosol, Delta, and Kohler all offer online sizing guides, but if you're unsure, we'll help you pick the perfect one for your space.
Getting this wrong means slow warm-ups, energy waste, or poor steam density. And that's a mistake you don't want to make.
Mistake number 4, control and steam head placement. Your digital control should be mounted inside the steam room, about 4 to 5 feet above the floor, where it's easy to reach without leaving your seat.
The steam head should be placed away from where you sit, ideally near the floor on the opposite wall. It's designed to disperse steam evenly, not blow directly onto your skin.
We've seen setups where the control was outside the shower or the steam head faced the bench, and those are recipes for discomfort.
Yeah, no one wants a facial at 120 degrees.
The last major mistake, ignoring drainage and ceiling slope. Steam creates condensation, and if your ceiling is flat, that moisture will drip straight down, usually onto you.
The solution? Slope the ceiling by about 1 to 2 inches per foot so condensation runs down the walls instead. And don't forget a center floor drain for easy cleaning and maintenance.
It's a small design tweak, but it makes a huge difference in comfort and longevity.
Here are a few bonus tips to wrap up. Always install a vent fan outside the steam enclosure, never inside. Keep lighting vapor sealed and rated for steam environments. And always include auto flush or auto drain systems on your generator for easy upkeep.
Nail these basics, and your steam shower will perform beautifully for decades. No leaks, no drips, no regrets.
Designing a steam shower isn't complicated. It's just about understanding how steam behaves and respecting the details.
You'll find links to all our full steam shower collection on Opulent Recreations in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming reviews on other top steam shower and sauna brands. And if you'd like more real-world insights, installation tips, or personalized help, join our free school community, the Steam Sauna Blueprint, where homeowners, designers, and spa lovers come together to share ideas. I'm Maya, and until next time, stay warm, relaxed, and inspired.